Taylor, I have a huge problem. A very big problem.
Okay, Cristiano. What is it? Tell me.
My phone is completely dead. The screen is black. It will not turn on.
Your phone is dead? Oh no. All day?
Yes. The repair shop can only fix it tonight. Very late. How can I call anyone? How can I check the time?
So, you have one day completely without a phone. Do you feel nervous?
Very nervous. I feel lost. I need my phone map.
Don't worry. This is an adventure. Maybe it's a good thing.
A good thing? A day without a phone. That sounds challenging.
It can be fun. We can go out. We can discover something new in the real world.
Discover? Where can we go first?
Let's start with the local market. We can buy fresh food.
Did you hear the feeling words? Cristiano said nervous and lost. These are strong words to describe emotions. When you talk about your feelings, try using words like nervous, happy, or proud. They make your English more clear and real.
The local market. But how do we get there? I can't call a taxi app.
Not today. Today we use the bus. Look, the bus stop sign is right here.
Ah, the sign shows the bus schedule. I see the number 4.
Yes, we wait for the bus. We use our eyes, not the phone.
Wow, so many people are here. It is very loud and lively.
Yes, people are talking and buying. Look at these bright red tomatoes.
They look so fresh. And the air smells like sweet coffee. I like that smell.
You can touch the food, feel the weight. This is better than a small phone picture, right?
Yes, better than a small screen. I can talk to the seller next to the big table.
No phone, just life, Cristiano. Do you see the simple actions?
In this scene, we learned words for location, like right here and next to. We also heard descriptive words for food, fresh, bright red, and sweet. These words help you describe what you see, smell, and taste in real life. Practice using them when you talk about food or places.
I feel full from the market food, but my eyes feel a little tired from all the walking.
Then let's rest our eyes. Let's walk to the quiet sculpture park.
The sculpture park? That sounds peaceful.
Yes. We can look far at the trees and the sky.
Look at this big statue. It is made of stone, and it is very heavy.
The shape is very unique. It makes you think.
Yes, it's solid and real. I usually look at social media on my phone here. Now I see art.
Without a phone, you can focus on one thing.
Focus? You mean pay attention to the big sculpture and only the sculpture? That is right.
We are making a real memory now. A good memory is better than a quick photo.
A memory is better than a photo. I feel calm.
Here, the important verb is focus. To focus means to give your full attention to one thing. Cristiano is learning to look carefully at the sculpture instead of looking at his phone. Try using the word focus when you study English. For example, I focus on new words.
We have time for one more thing before sunset. Let's get a hot drink.
Great. I need to read the menu online. Oh, wait. I will ask the waiter.
No phone. Just life. Let's choose the small shop across the street.
Everyone here is talking, not looking down at a screen. That is different.
You have a lot of free time now. Do you have a small notebook and a pen?
Yes, I do. I usually just use it for work notes.
Try to draw this coffee cup. It's a new hobby.
Draw? I am not a good artist.
It doesn't matter. Just use your eyes to observe the shape, pores, and the color.
Okay, I will try to observe the cup. It's hard, but it makes me concentrate.
Concentrate means to focus very hard. You are using your hands, not your phone.
Did you notice the action verbs? Cristiano learned to draw and to observe. To observe means to look carefully with your eyes. These action verbs are very useful. You can say, I observe my teacher, or I draw a picture. Using action verbs makes your English stronger.
The sun is going down, Cristiano. It is evening. Our day is finished.
Yes. The sky is orange and yellow. The colors are beautiful.
You did it! You survived one whole day without a phone.
I feel very relaxed. I don't feel lost anymore. I don't miss checking my phone.
Possible and peaceful. That's the feeling.
I feel free. Really free. Free and happy.
You learned many new things today. You practiced English in real life in 4 places.
The market, the park, the coffee shop. I learned the word focus and observe.
And you repeated new words again and again. That makes them strong in your mind.
Less phone, more life. I will try this again. I feel proud.
You should be proud. This was a great adventure.
At the end, Cristiano said he feels relaxed, free, and proud. These are wonderful feeling words. When you talk about yourself, don't just say, I'm fine. Try using richer words like relaxed, excited, or proud. They show your real emotions in English.